overall, I am confident that state is earning a lot. We are consuming state, and therefore obviously we are gaining a lot. And on certain aspects, if we are losing somewhere, union government is ready to compensate it for next 5 years.
To take part in a constitution amendment bill is a privilege. Means it's not every legislator doesn't get that privilege. We are part of creating history. GST is a historical event. One nation, one tax regime. So the plus minus will come later, but the nation is together to get the tax in. That is the important part. No, it is we are having a big service industry. So we are supposed to get 50% of our tax returns. 50% will get. So the higher the return of services, the higher is the amount we'll get back. So as the Chief Minister said, we must be collecting around 2,000 in the service sector. So we'll be getting about 1,000 crores. That's a big thing for the state. So it's a big achievement for the state to ratify this bill. We have crossed the halfway mark. We are the 15th state to do this. Orissa will be the 16th one. So we have created history by passing this bill.